Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Griffin. We're here at Lurvey Supply out in Covered Shopping, here to talk to you today about a new edging called Perma Edge. Now with the freeze-thaw cycle we have here in Chicago, most of your conventional plastic and metal edgings, they don't tend to last quite as well against the patio. Over time the spikes will fall out, the edging will be pushed back, and that can create a bumpy and uneven patio. Now if you want to come over here, we can take a closer look at the Perma Edge and start mixing up a batch. Unlike plastic and metal edging, Perma Edge was specifically designed to help resist that freeze-thaw cycle. Now, due to the aggregate and the fibers mixed in, it is 700% more flexible than your typical concrete or mortar mixes and 40% more permeable. Now regularly, for each 80-pound bucket, you want to use 1 gallon of water, but for today's purposes, we're going to be mixing up a half batch. So you've got the Perma Edge all mixed up. What you want to do now is apply it evenly around the perimeter of the project. Now typically you'd want to be using either a scoop or a flat shovel, but for today's purposes and the scale we're working on, I'm just going to be using a trowel. Now once it's all been applied, you'll want to go back in with a finishing trowel. They recommend somewhere between like a 4 to 4.5 inch. You want to leave about a ½ inch from the bottom of the paver. Run it across. If you have any voids or fill, you can go back in and cover it later. Get everything nice and smooth. If you have to go back with a couple of the lower spots, you can go back and fill in. So once you've got all the Perma Edge applied and it's all setting up, you want to give it 24 hours to cure. Thank you for joining us on this video. For more information, you can go to lurvey.com and be sure to follow us on social media. Have a good one.